Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to post a job on LinkedIn, step by step, whether you're a small business owner, recruiter, or HR manager looking to find the right talent quickly. Let's get started. First, log into your LinkedIn account and go to the Jobs section. You can do this by clicking the briefcase icon at the top of your homepage or going directly to linkedin.com/jobs. Then click on Post a Job. Make sure you're logged into the right company page if you're a recruiter or page admin. Confirm that you have permission to post jobs for that company. Once you're on the job dashboard, you'll have two options to start your posting. The first is Start Hiring with AI. This new feature uses LinkedIn's AI assistant to automatically draft a job description based on the title you enter. You can customize, edit, or approve the generated text to fit your needs. It's a great time saver. The second option is to set up your job post manually. Here, you'll fill out the job title, company name, location, employment type such as full-time, part-time, or contract, and whether it's remote, hybrid, or on-site. Be sure to use clear and searchable job titles like graphic designer instead of something vague or creative like design rockstar. This helps improve visibility in search results. Next, you'll need to add your job details. This is where you describe the role. List responsibilities required and preferred skills, industry, and job function. You can also include optional details like salary range, perks, and benefits. Adding this extra information can help your listing attract up to 3 times more qualified candidates. Now, it's time to set your application preferences. LinkedIn gives you 2 ways to receive applications. You can enable Easy Apply, which allows candidates to apply using their LinkedIn profile directly. It's perfect for faster submissions and higher applicant volume. Or you can choose External Apply Link, which sends applicants to your company's own careers page or applicant tracking system. This method is often preferred by larger organizations. After that, be sure to add screening questions. These are super useful for filtering out unqualified candidates early. For example, you can ask yes or no questions like, do you have at least 2 years of experience in marketing? Or add short answer questions to gauge fit and experience. Once you've completed all the details, review your listing, and when you're satisfied, click Post Job. LinkedIn will then promote your job based on your settings, and you'll start receiving applications directly in your inbox or through your chosen link. And that's it! You've now successfully created a LinkedIn job post that's optimized for visibility and quality applicants. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.